Okay, so we have done main dishes, we have done dessert, appetizer, and today is beverage day.
All right.
So I'm excited about these. The name, wow, it's a Purple Power Pickle and Beet Matcha Smoothie.
Purple power.
I know, right?
Purple power.
So I think after these we're going to have so much power.
Woo!
Very healthy smoothie.
Okay.
So the winner for these for the beverage is Miss Fiona Green. Oh, she got two.
Yes.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. And she's from Keller, Texas. And let's talk about the ingredients.
Okay.
So we're going to need cooked beet. It says chopped, so sliced. Oh, well. Then we have cherry tomatoes. We have some honey. We have ginger. We have turmeric. And we have matcha. Oh, and also we're going to need lime. And, of course,
Pickle.
Gotta have the Mount Olive
that's
pickles.
right. Oh, and I forgot the coconut water. So, and some ice. So basically what we need to do with this recipe, we need to chop the pickles a little bit, and then everything is going to go in the blender, so it doesn't really, you can show your knife skills today.
Skills again.
Then we'll cut the lime, we'll squeeze that, put everything together, and it's ready.
Oh, wow. Cut the pickles, you can cut the lime. and-
Sure, that sounds like a plan.
Let me get my fingers here. where
Yeah,
I was
please
taught.
don't. Oh, very good.
Excellent hand placement
I
on your
know, I
knife.
love it.
I had a great teacher.
Oh, thank you. Wonderful. I'm going to bring you something so we can pick those easier, but we can go ahead and cut the lime.
You wanna?
This will be easier if we.
Right.
Okay, now that we have all our ingredients ready, I'm going to switch sides so you can put everything on the blender.
Okay.
Don't forget to put the lid. And I love fresh ginger, so
Oh yes, that's gonna be amazing.
yes.
All right, we're just putting it all in there.
Yes.
Yep. You go ahead, and then I'll squeeze the lime in.
Like I say, very easy. I am not a smoothie person, but I know several people that that's what they have for breakfast.
Yeah. Clump.
Oh, maybe you need
that
a
is
spoon for that
honey?
one?
Yes, probably. Nope, those beets
Don't
don't
get
want to come
dirty
out.
with all
Some color in there.
Yes.
Those beets do not want to come out.
And these are all good, healthy ingredients.
So I know we're counting the days for the festival. It's almost here, and is there anything else that we need to know?
Oh man.
Let's see. There's so much.
Yeah, there's something
to
for everybody.
enjoy.
Like I said, if you want to just come and spend a couple hours or spend the whole day, as you said, you've been before the whole day and you still don't see it all because there's so many
That's
things
true.
going on, you know. And so that's what we like about it. There's lots of opportunities for everybody to come and to enjoy the event and hopefully eat all the free pickles, Mount Olive pickles you can eat during the day while you're
Yes.
there, and to get some nice shopping done at our arts and crafts vendors and our other vendors that are there, and just have a good time. That's the main point.
Yes,
is to
have a
fun.
great time.
Oh, and I forgot to mention, we have helicopter rides.
Oh wow!
Oh.
I know every year people they wait
Yes,
for those.
we have two helicopters that come out there at the University of Mount Olive, and you can take a ride. It's about 5 to 10 minutes. It's $40 a person. And if you've never been in a helicopter, it's a great opportunity to be able to see the festival from the air, see Mount Olive from the air, and people really thoroughly enjoy the helicopter rides.
That is wonderful. So especially because we don't really get to get in a helicopter.
Yeah,
like,
That's
Yeah.
true.
So
Yes.
You don't
wonderful.
have very many opportunities for that.
Okay, put the lid on.
Most importantly,
thank you.
all right, are we on there?
Yeah, be sure
One of
that
these
it's-
surprises.
Mhm.
Do you want to do the honors?
mixed up enough?
So,
I think so. Let me grab these so we
Okay.
can put this. Okay, it's going to stay there or not?
Okay. I'll tilt the glass.
all right.
Ooh, this is something like really different.
It
Yeah.
is. I can smell the ginger. It smells really good.
Here we go.
So basically, you can get like 4 portions.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes.
Save some.
Let
Okay.
me clean this.
Yes.
Are we
Okay,
ready?
cheers.
Woo!
Cheers.
Getting ready for the festival.
Yes. Pickle Fest 25. Wow.
This is delicious.
Yes,
It is
it's
really
really good.
good.
Interesting combination, but I like it. I can taste the pickles too.
Yes.
We hope you'll come and see us at the Pickle Festival. It's going to be a great time, April 26th, downtown Mount Olive.
And if you have any questions, be sure that you visit the website that is.
ncpicklefest.org.
And we'll see you there. Thank you.